Okay, now this is nice. You ever get that one moment where everything is quiet and you can almost pretend the whole world is normal? Like no alarms, no one yelling Spider-Man from a dark alley. Just sunrise and a pink castle. Yeah, this is my little ritual. Come up here, breathe, start the day right, and then go back down there and pretend I have my life together. Okay, one more minute before Mr. Stark calls me. Wait. Oh wow. Hi. How long have you been there? Because I'm gonna be honest, I thought I was having a private moment. You know, quiet, recharging. Definitely not vlogging. This is a lot of people for this hour. Okay, quick question. Are you recruits? Because if this is the new early morning hero training program, sorry, I didn't get the memo. Well, since you're here, welcome to the best sunrise spot in the neighborhood. I would invite you up here, but pretty sure we'd exceed the maximum capacity in like 4 seconds. All right, I should go. This wasn't exactly part of the morning routine, but, you know, same time tomorrow? Kidding. But you know where to find me, if you're feeling heroic. Okay. All right, everyone, enjoy your day. And if anyone asks, I was never here. But if you happen to film in the next 10 seconds, I won't be mad about it. This is the cool part.